Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Albeik chicken roast. We will take whole chicken and make 8 pieces of the chicken. First, we will clean the chicken. Now we will add vinegar to our chicken. And add salt to the chicken. Mix the chicken with the help of your hands. Wash your chicken thoroughly with the help of water. Our chicken is rinsed. Now we will make our chicken roast. So now we will make our paste to add to our chicken. First we will add garlic, ginger and a hint of vinegar. And we'll mix it well. We will add green chili to the paste so that the paste can be spicy. Now we will add red chili powder to our paste to make the mixture spicy. Coriander dry seeds. Coriander powder. Garam Masala, mixed spices. Salt according to your taste. And then mix our mixture in the chopper. And our mixture is ready to add to our chicken. Now add the mixture that we already made to the chicken and poke holes through the chicken with the help of the fork so that our spices can penetrate to the chicken. Mix the mixture with the help of your hands. And our mixture is ready. Now we will marinate for 15 minutes. And our chicken is ready to get coated. For coating we need flour. We will add salt to the flour and red chili powder according to our quantity of flour, and ajwain, garam seeds. Add garam masala, mixed spices, and mix the flour well. Keep kneading the mixture until it is solid. Our coating is ready. Dip your chicken in the mixture and with your hands put weight on top of the chicken. Your chicken should look like this. your chicken in the water thoroughly and then back into the flour. This way our breadcrumbs will become thick. Repeat this process to the rest of the chicken. Our chicken is coated well. Now we'll fry the chicken. Now we will make garlic sauce to serve with the chicken. First, we will add garlic to our chopper. We will add black pepper, salt, vinegar, and then we will chop our mixture. Now we will gradually add oil to our garlic sauce. Now we'll add egg white to our sauce. And mix the sauce with the help of the chopper. Now fry your chicken in a preheated oil until it is cooked from inside. Likewise, you will fry all your chicken. And our Albeik roast is ready. Serve it aside with our garlic sauce. Crispy and tasty. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.